I'm here with Miss Candy, our Kalenjin content creator. Na ako na YouTube channel, TikTok, and Instagram. So guys, hebu tuambie handles zako.
Candy Chela, TikTok, Candy Chela, YouTube, Chela, Facebook, or subscribing or following.
Guys, please follow Miss Candy on her IG and her TikTok story. Subscribe pia kwa YouTube yake. Yeah.
Go shy.
Very shy. Miss Candy hakuangi shy lakini I'm the shy one. Bye guys. Our lunch time is over. Back to our corporate faces.